Hello, it's a great pleasure for me to talk to the first vice district governors of this year. We are passing through a very challenging time of COVID pandemic, and I'm sure that most of us are working on virtual platforms like today. You are busy thinking, talking and sharing with your colleagues about your next year plans and what kind of a plans you are thinking. I know every first vice governor is thinking about his slogan, about his cabinet, about his programs, about his cabinet meetings, so on and so forth. But before coming to a conclusion, it is very important for you to do some research work. And that research work, what I am talking about, is about the district and the clubs in your district. So the most important thing for you is to go into the history of your district. Many times, history plays a very important role. We learn from our experiences, and therefore, what are the set traditions of your district? What are the norms of your district? And it is your very important duty that you do not shake your district totally. Try to follow the best practices of your district, the district foundations, your past governors' honorary committee meetings, the district permanent projects. Try to give some more time in understanding these things, and this will help you in making a very good plan for the next year. Friends, secondly, I will urge you to understand the clubs of your district. You may be having 60 clubs, 70 clubs, 80 clubs. And what do I mean by understanding your clubs? You have to understand their strength, try to find their weaknesses, and think how you can help them in covering their weaknesses. Recently, the first vice district governor of my district is Bal Mukund Shah, and I requested him that Bal Mukund bhai, if you want to be successful next year, you should interact with the most outstanding leadership of the district. So he requested the region chairman to have a virtual meeting on a platform in which the cabinet members of the clubs of that region were invited and the club presidents were invited. On an average, there were 40-50 people on that Zoom meeting. Bal Mukund Shah, the first vice district governor, interacted with each and every single line in that meeting. What were the questions he asked? He reviewed his friendship with them, that motivated and encouraged them that yes, my first vice governor knows so much about me. He tried to understand what is the portfolio they are going to work on this year, what are their plans. He also questioned about their finances, the time they can devote, and also about their clubs. This certainly encouraged the cabinet member. This will help him in greater participation of the cabinet member this year. As far as the club president was concerned, he tried to understand what is the membership, how can you increase the membership, what is the male-female ratio, what are your signature projects, what are your permanent projects, do you get the cooperation of your past presidents, how is your finances, so on and so forth. He went into complete detail of every club. This also helped the club president in understanding the strength and weakness of their own club. And mind you friends, the exercise what was conducted by my first vice district governor will not only help this year, but it will tremendously help Bal Mukund Shah in planning his next year. According to me, each one of you is a Bal Mukund Shah. I gave you an example of Bal Mukund Shah. Now what will happen after this pandemic is over? you will get an opportunity to visit every single club. And I would request you, don't miss that opportunity. I am also reminded of our past district governor, Mukesh Patel. Before the year of his office, Mukesh Patel made it a point to visit each and every permanent project of the district. He invited the club officers and the trust members to those projects. This helped Mukesh Patel in two ways. Number one, how to involve other clubs of the district in making that project successful, and second thing, how he can help in the project in getting financial aid from LCIF and other corporate donors. So this collective work of understanding the projects in the district, understanding the club's weakness and the strength, this will help you in understanding your district in complete manner. This is a year of preparation. As a second vice district governor, it was the first step, and this year I am sure that before you put your plans in place, kindly do this exercise. Number one, the virtual meeting. Number two, the physical visits. And number three, talk to your past governors in understanding the historical values and the standard good practice of your district. I am sure having completed all this exercise in understanding your district and your clubs in the district, I am confident you will have a beautiful plan. The plan which we will make you a successful district governor, and this plan will lead you to ultimate success. You have my tremendous support. My good wishes are with you. I am at a phone call away. Please feel free to call me. I am your friend, Praveen Shahjed, and my good luck and good wishes to each one of you. God bless you. Thank you.